Hello everyone, I'm John from Evelyn. Welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to talk about ONEWEB Page Designer and its key features. ONEWEB Page Designer is a powerful and easy to use UI UX designer component of ONEWEB platform. It helps both designers, programmers, business users, or even citizen developers to both create static and dynamic web pages without writing HTML language or using other web designing skills. Now let's see how you can access Page Designer on ONEWEB platform. To access Page Designer, the user can log into an app space, open application project, add new page, provide page name, and click on the Start Design button to automatically redirect to the Page Designer component of ONEWEB. Now let's talk about Page Designer features. Like other ONEWEB components, Page Designer also uses a simple drag and drop user interface to build either web or mobile pages, which are based on grid system design that uses a series of containers, rows and columns to lay out and align your UI content. Let me quickly touch everything that you see on this screen. Starting from left menu, you would see components and page templates. Page templates are any ready-made UI templates that might have shared with you from your team members, or you may have uploaded it from your page template collections. So if you wanted to start with an existing template, you can simply drag and drop UI template and start to design from here. I'll discuss this in more detail in our page template tutorial. So let's move to components. Under components, first you will see user customize, which actually can turn and save any UI design on your designer screen as a separate UI element. And later, if you would like to use that in any new page that you will create inside this application, then you can simply drag and drop. Now under text, you will have different types of text UI elements that you can drag, drop and edit as required. Under mobile, you will see all essential mobile UI elements like select inputs, list items, cart, checkboxes, radio buttons, progress bar, signature pad to store signatures, QR code, etc., which can help you to create attractive UI design based on your requirements. UI elements dragged and dropped inside designer screen, if selected, provides several options where you can move them before or after other UI elements, edit them if it's text, create a replica, connect any text element with translation key for language change, and you can also connect them to the page state and backend services such as database, microflow services to produce dynamic results on application runtime. So once you drag and drop any UI element, you can use Style menu on the left to link between different pages in your mobile app. You can change fonts and add icons. You can change text or background colors, add on background images, do validate text fields with PGD directives. Also, you can set width and height of your UI element, or you can add inner and outer space to your UI elements and perform other UI settings by using this Style menu. Page Designer also gives you the flexibility to extend your designs and features at any time using modern scripting languages such as CSS, which is Cascading Style Sheet, and JavaScript. To add them into the platform, Page Designer comes with an inbuilt CSS and JavaScript editors. To open CSS editor, you can click on small cap icon at the bottom of your designer screen. On this, you can write any CSS code to override existing CSS that comes with the default UI elements. To open JavaScript editor, you can choose any UI element on your designer screen. Click on this plus button under action, choose JavaScript tab, and click on this code icon. Now you can write new or paste any existing JavaScript code to build all sorts of advanced features and extend any default UI elements beyond their capabilities. At any point while designing your configuration screen, you can click on Save button on top menu to save all your design configuration. Now you can click on Page Settings to create any page states if needed. Also, you can make this UI page as your home page. Home page will be the first page that will be appeared once you build and run this application. There is also a share option here on top menu to save this UI screen as a template. You may add this into your template collection list and can share with other users on ONEWEB platform. This designer screen comes with a very useful device option to see how your configuration screen would actually appear on different smartphone devices by selecting any device from the drop-down list. You can also add one if you cannot find your device on this list. You can also rotate your mobile designer screen to see how your design appears in landscape mode. You can zoom in and zoom out your designer screen. You can click on Manage Pages here to see all the existing pages inside this application. You can manage them from here as well. To upload images for this application, you can simply click on Upload Image and then this Upload Image button to upload them from your disk drive. By clicking this Manage icon, you can manage your custom icons. To upload them, you can simply click on Upload icon and then upload them from your disk drive. Next is database collections. Using this, you can build local storage for your applications and let your applications to support and save data offline. Theme Designer. Using Theme Designer, you can build themes for applications or you can choose any existing themes. So once you select any theme for your application, all UI elements that you drag and drop inside your application will automatically adhere to the selected theme. Once you finish with your UI design and save your configuration, you can simply click on this Play Me button. Now system will provide you the URL. Now you can open this URL in new tab or new window to open this application inside browser and test your application. There are a lot more features in PageDesigner that you can access once you exit from this designer screen. To exit, you simply can click on the red exit icon. Now you will see different tabs here. Let me quickly go through with each tab. It starts with Edit Pages, where you can create new pages directly from PageDesigner, edit them and clone an existing page. Second is the Deployment tab. Here you can add credentials for your Apple and Google accounts and configure the CI server. Once it's done, you are ready to submit your applications and to publish them directly to the App Store and Play Store. You can also build unsigned APK and IPA files and directly install them on your smartphone devices for testing purposes. You can build zip files to see the source code. Web fonts. Using web fonts, you can upload any custom fonts that you would like to use inside your application. Translation tab. In Translation tab, you can simply create a dictionary and then allow your applications to appear into multiple languages as required. Icons tab. Icons tab is used to upload any custom icons that you would like to use in your UI designs. Splash Screen tab helps you to upload an image. Mostly it comes with the logo or current version of the software. Splash Screen image would appear when your application is launching. Finally, you have Settings tab. Page designers support the Cordova mobile framework. So in this first plugin and preference tabs, user can add any Cordova plugin from the existing Cordova library. Install them, enable and disable them for applications. You can also add any specific preferences for both iOS and Android applications if required. IAM2 integration is currently in progress and gives you the flexibility to hide page objects based on control permissions directly from PageDesigner. Service tabs helps you to choose your CI/CD server for continuous improvements and deployments. The Extensions tab, you can add any existing extensions or upload newly built extensions and can then simply install them by a click of a button. Once installed, it will start to show up under mobile UI components and then you can simply drag and drop them inside your UI designs. Finally, this Resource tab is used to directly upload JavaScript files provided by any external systems to use them directly on PageDesigner. For example, creating a drop zone component to drag and drop, browse files, or showing your current location on maps, etc. So this is about ONEWEB PageDesigner and its features for this tutorial. For more information on each tab and specific features, keep watching our next tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.